Welcome back, and thanks for tuning in. We are examining the question, is the On2 salsa timing like dancing inside the music? But before we answer that question, please click on subscribe below so that you can receive all the latest videos from Salsa Goals. Now, in part 2, we learn how the contratiempo timing is like dancing inside the music. But why? Because the strong core beats that make up the rhythmic structure or pulse of the song are beats 1, 3, 5, and 7. And the contratiempo dancer is stepping on the weak beats that are in between those stronger core beats. Therefore, contratiempo can truly be like dancing inside the music. But what about the footwork timing of the modern On2 salsa dancing style from New York? This step is a modified version of the contratiempo pattern known as Power 2. So what's the difference between these two patterns? Well, this is the Power 2 pattern. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And this is the modern New York On2 pattern. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice that the modern On2 footwork uses the same counting pattern as On1, which is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The only difference is that the order of the steps has changed, and the break steps, or the long steps, are now on beats 2 and 6. Remember that the two steps of each dominant foot, or the foot that the dancer takes the break step with and then returns back to the center, are the two steps that tell us what type of timing is being used. So the dominant foot will always indicate if the timing is a tiempo or contratiempo. However, the modern New York On2 step uses a combination of both timings. Why? Because the break step is on beat 2 or beat 6. So that part is contratiempo. However, the other steps of the dominant foot are on either beat 5 or beat 1. Now that part is a tiempo, or on one timing. So, based on this concept, is the modern On2 footwork like dancing inside the music? Well, yes and no. The On2 break steps of 2 and 6 are contratiempo, and thus they are in the music. But all the other steps of the pattern are not. Specifically, steps 1 and 5 are a tiempo, which makes them on the music. So there you have it. Based on the explanation given earlier, contratiempo timing can be considered stepping completely inside the music. On the other hand, modern On2 timing is only like partially stepping inside the music. So, until next time, stay positive, stay connected to the music, and keep dancing.